Morning light is slowly rising, and you stand quiet in the breeze. Golden colors softly glowing, and something in you settles me. In the calm of your reflection, I feel my breathing fall in line. Sunflower, you steady me so gently. You follow the light, and I feel it too. Your warm glow moves like a quiet rhythm, showing me that even on heavy days, there's still a path the light comes through. When the wind begins to wander, you sway softly, slow and sure. Every movement feels like comfort, like a moment made to reassure. And in your simple golden stillness, I find a place where I can rest. Sunflower, you steady me so gently. You follow the light, and I turn with you. Your golden calm keeps softly telling me that even in the shadows, light still knows how to bloom. Maybe you're only a flower, but you feel like a quiet guide. Your warm glow stays close beside me, whispering in your gentle way, you're safe